इधर है इधर है.
So what we are witnessing is that the road is going down. Fazan, show them.
Yes.
It looks like it's going down, but when I put this water bottle,
अभी सर बात ये है कि एज अ ड्राइवर मुझे यहाँ रोड बिल्कुल मतलब स्लोप में नजर आ रहा है नीचे की तरफ. अगर हम अपनी गाड़ी को यहाँ पे न्यूट्रल करते हैं तो गाड़ी यहाँ से आगे जाने की बजाय पीछे जा रही है. पीछे की तरफ मदीना.
So guys, we are going to Wadi Jinn and you see 49 kilometers and well, we should leave for Wadi Jinn right now. Okay, Fazan, please stop at some fuel station. Yeah. Guys, on our way to Wadi Jinn, we are passing again from Quba Mosque. Before we came to Quba Mosque, then we went to Gardens of Salman Farsi Raziyallahu anhu, then we went to Bir Al Ghars. And it turned out that on Saturdays it opens at 4 p.m. instead of the usual 2:30 p.m. So we are now gonna go to Wadi Jinn. Let's meet you over there. So guys, we stopped at one Bakala. The guys already went inside, so I'm also gonna join them, and we are gonna get some snacks, something cold to drink. Well, quite hot in Medina today. Quite hot. Fazan, did you find anything here? Oh, water. Okay. Anything else? Laban? Anyone? Nadik. Nadik is also fine. Take Nadik. Nadik is fine. Okay. Fazan, anything else?
बड़े ही प्यारे चचा, उनकी खिदमत में शायर ने एक शेर कहा.
मेहदी भाई मिल गए हैं. मेहदी भाई, शुक्रिया, आपने रात को हमारी जो खिदमत की इधर ये बहुत पहाड़ के साथ हमने रात को खाना खाया था, तो माशाल्लाह थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू. हाँ, व्यू आप देखें. हम कल इधर थे, उधर हम बैठे खाना खा रहे थे इस जगह पे. माशाल्लाह बहुत पहाड़. So guys, we were going to Wadi Jinn and the scenes, well, and this drive itself, it's quite fascinating. There are farms on the either sides, the date farms of Medina, and I'll put the video on this, but however Fazan is driving, he is having a very wonderful drive. Mashallah. Fazan, what do you think about the drive?
This is first time I'm driving that kind of road. So
Yeah, exactly.
Really, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, it's a wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful place, wonderful scenes, and inshallah we are going to Wadi Jinn, so we will meet you over there, guys. Thank you for watching. Definitely it's an optical illusion, but we'll see. Fazan, do you experience something
Nothing.
here? Nothing right now, so we are not moving. So we are going to the place where the map is showing there's much traffic in Wadi Jinn. So let's see, guys. We are quite excited about this, witnessing this phenomenon.
अभी देखते हैं.
अब देख,
अभी मुझे ये इल्यूजन लग रहा है.
ये illusion लग रहा
हम
है.
एकदम ऊपर आ रहे थे, अभी
आप नीचे जा रहे
इधर
हैं.
चेक कर लें.
इधर चेक कर लेते हैं. हाँ,
इधर है इधर है.
So what we are witnessing is that the road is going down. Fazan, show them.
Yes.
It looks like it's going down, but when I put this water bottle,
It will come back.
yeah, it came back. So it's definitely an optical illusion, and I think we should go on the car a bit forward.
Now we will make neutral our car and then we will.
Let's see. Yeah. So like the road is going down, huh? This is the phenomenon. Obviously a mix of an optical illusion and the scientific concept. Gravity hill. See, seems like the road is going down, but in actual it's going up.
लगना है जोर.
See the moon up there. See, guys. Oh, how do you feel about this? This is Wadi.
Now I am feeling
Yeah.
something. Very nice. 40 पे चला गया.
We are at 40 in neutral.
Speed is continuously going up.
Here it seems like it's going down, but it's a uphill drive, right? This is the first part of this phenomenon. See, check that out, guys. It seems like the road is declining down there. And Fazan, I think you will have to put a lot of RPM to just go. Also, you see, guys, there's a lot of places for camping. Road seems to be going down, but Fazan is putting his feet on the accelerator. Yeah, the car is stopping, so it means that it's not a decline, as you see.
गाड़ी पीछे जा रही है.
And see over there, the cars, it seems like they are coming up. If you see over there, guys, just focus over there. Seems like the car is going up.
इधर से नजर आ रही है ढलवान.
Adalwan, हाँ, yeah.
ठीक है. अभी सर बात ये है कि एज अ ड्राइवर मुझे यहाँ रोड बिल्कुल मतलब स्लोप में नजर आ रहा है नीचे की तरफ. अगर हम अपनी गाड़ी को यहाँ पे न्यूट्रल करते हैं तो गाड़ी यहाँ से आगे जाने की बजाय पीछे जा रही है. पीछे की तरफ मदीना, जहाँ से हम मदीना से ही आ रहे हैं ना बेसिकली. और ये अच्छी खासी सर स्पीड में जाएगी अगर हम ब्रेक छोड़ दें.
अच्छा हाँ.
पर वो रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहता क्योंकि हम आने वाले रोड पे हैं.
हाँ सही.
अब ये न्यूट्रल है
हाँ,
फिर ना मैंने
स्पीड कम भी होनी चाहिए थी. हालांकि
स्पीड नहीं कम हो रही, स्पीड इस टाइम ज्यादा हो.
इधर लग रहा है कि एक मिनट अभी देखते हैं, थोड़ा रोड क्लियर होता है तो फिर सामने विजन आएगी ना.
अभी ये रोड ऊंचा इधर से नजर आ रहा है.
हाँ
ठीक है,
यही तो मैं भी कह रहा था उस टाइम.
अभी ये रोड ऊंचा है सर.
हाँ
ओके. और ये गाड़ी अभी न्यूट्रल में कर दी है मैंने. अभी ये स्पीड इसकी ज्यादा होगी, हो रही है. अगर ये लेवल पे भी हो ना तो इतनी स्पीड में नहीं जानी चाहिए.
इतनी स्पीड में नहीं जानी चाहिए अगर इवन लेवल पे भी हो. हाँ बात ठीक है आपकी.
अभी आपको ये रोड नजर आ रहा है ना, ऊपर है, थोड़ा सा ऊपर है,
ऐसे ही
छोड़ी हुई.
So guys, yeah, we witnessed this phenomenon in Wadi Jinn, the Beda. That's its real actual name, and with the myths and the legends, it's also called Wadi Jinn. So the main thing, I'll break it down for you. There's a concept called Gravity Hill. You can go search on the internet, and when you see it and visualize it, then you will better understand what I mean. So it says that Gravity Hill, also known as a magnetic hill, mystery hill, or anti-gravity hill, it's an optical illusion where slight downhill slope appears to be an uphill slope.
Slide.
Yeah. So our friend who drove this, he can tell you for sure that this is what happened. And this illusion is caused by the layout of the surrounding land, making it seem like the objects are rolling uphill, even though they are actually rolling downhill. So this is the main thing, guys. So definitely it's an optical illusion, and
it was a good experience.
It was a good experience.
We didn't
and
expect this.
Yeah,
but
we weren't expecting this, and the thing is that the main thing responsible for this is the surrounding layout and the build of this highway or this road. That's what making this. It's definitely not an highway; it's a road. So that's what making this phenomenon more interesting for us to witness and to experience. So well, that's all for this, and now we are going back to Medina, and inshallah we'll meet you. Here you see,
ओए उठ दिन आ गई.
and here
रोटी आ जाती.
so guys, the guys want to have lunch, and well, the thing is that our points don't add up to 50. They are around 40 because most of these guys they lost their points. Yeah, their points because of their own actions and their words, which weren't reasonable.
The lunch is cancelled.
Yeah, so the lunch is cancelled.
We are very strict. About
we are strict about our rules.
Policies which we made today.
Yeah, this is the main effective of.
Now he is in angry mode.
Yeah.
He is saying to us, "Let me drop my Mahata. I have to go back."
Yeah, we are gonna have lunch now. We are gonna have lunch now. We are cancelling this game. Don't worry. We are cancelling this game. Yeah. But we have researched this. Yeah. Neutral. Try to. Yeah. Let him do. Yeah.
पीछे तो
Yeah.
जाएगी जाएगी गाड़ी।
वो जा रही पीछे, वो नहीं होए
जिन भाई
यार। फजान, डू यू एक्सपीरियंस समथिंग हियर? नथिंग राइट नाउ। सो दोबारा बताइए सारा। दिस वाज द फिनोमेनन।
जिन आ गई उस्ताद।